Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Yeah, on the Polygon chart, we have now reached the 25.9 cent level. This is the next Fibonacci extension target that we were watching. In this move to the downside, we have a very full fourth wave correction after a third wave likely topped in May 2021. So the current correction can be counted nicely as an A, B, C structure. And that C wave is a 5-wave pattern. And as you can see here, we've got waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And even that fifth wave is technically complete. Yeah? We have a quite complex correction, I mean quite extended rather, correction that visually looks complete. However, that does not confirm a reversal at all. And we need to see some action before we really can say that this wave 4 is over. And by the way, I'm sure I mentioned it before in previous updates, I do not trust this correction at all. Well, what does it mean? It means that there is absolutely no evidence that this is really a wave 4. Or we can, because see, it's got problems. It is 3 waves up into the May 21 highs. So yeah, naturally we're watching for a fourth wave correction. The thing is, had this been a fourth wave, great. You know, the June 22 low, really good. One of the first coins that actually bottomed in this bear market, or in the last bear market, and then it could have rallied and all good, you know, rallied to new highs. But it's just so crazy that Polygon, even though it had a chance, could not make it to a new all-time high. Even though it had such a great start from the June 22 low, earlier than many, many other coins. But then, yep, we rallied. It looked kind of corrective, but could have been an impulse, and then moved down and couldn't form a high and lower low, and very, very poor performance. And the problem is now that we are deep in support for a fourth wave, but look at the time. I mean, duration-wise, this is a massive correction, and it just looks more and more as if this chart has really topped just in a 3-wave move and will not form 5 waves. So we're now, however, in a support area for such a fourth wave. Shouldn't break below 18.6 cents. That's the 50% retracement of the third wave. Now, the problem is if it breaks below it, it indicates that this chart has formed a larger degree 3-wave top. So the initial rally was really just in 3 waves. Whatever that means then, you know, it could mean that we go to completely new lows, new all-time lows. It could also mean that this is some kind of a B-wave pullback and the price can find support in this lower support region and we then rally in a C-wave, but that will take much more time. And also means that the support will shift from around about 18.5 cents all the way down to 2.3 cents, which is far away. It just means that the overall risk is super high. Yeah, well, it will be high if we break below that 18.6 cent level. At the moment, we can use that as main support. But so why am I not more positive if the chart is in the support area? This is a wave 4. It doesn't have the right look. It's just very extended. And the problem is other coins rallied. Some even reached new all-time highs. Polygon hasn't really done anything super exciting. And given that we are probably in the late stages of a bullish market, it's not great that it's now pressing support. Whereas we should really be in a situation where Polygon, should also, you know, if things gone well, Polygon should be, like, for example, Solana, probably up here somewhere in the late stages of that rally. And that's not the case. So, yeah, I mean, would I believe that Polygon will make it to new all-time highs at that point, in that, you know, such a late stage in the bull market? Not really. So to really believe that we go higher, I need to see a proper 5-wave move to the upside from here. That would be 5 waves in circle 1. Until I see circle wave 1 complete, I do not trust this wide count. Yeah? So it takes a bit of effort. And that would need to be a 5-wave move, then a 3-wave pullback. At the moment, we are still here in a local downtrend. And yeah, I mean, it looks like a 5-wave move down, so it could be at any point complete. But minimally, I need to see a break above 34.8 cents, which is the February high, let's say mid-February high, to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. But bear in mind, it really takes a full 5-wave move up in circle wave 1 for a clear confirmation that the larger degree 4th wave has bottomed. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.